Hello, my name is Joseph Connolly. Currently, I am the Deputy Project Manager of Technology for the Electrified Powertrain Flight Demonstration Project, and I work at the NASA Glenn Research Center. This is my origin story. Pretty early on, when I was probably just like 5 years old or so, I saw a special on PBS about NASA and the space shuttle, and I saw mission control and the countdown for the rocket launch, and I was like, that is the most amazing thing I had ever seen in my entire life, and I want to be a part of NASA. And that pretty much sparked my interest in terms of pursuing a career in NASA. At the time, I had no idea what engineering was. All I knew is I was going to go try to work for NASA, and luckily throughout my school, I found out that I really enjoyed math and engineering, and sort of got an opportunity to pursue disciplines along those lines. For me, the turning point was really in high school. So like I mentioned, I knew that I was going to work for NASA. I had no idea what an engineer really was, and didn't really have a whole lot of guidance in terms of other people that I knew that were engineers directly in my family. So what ended up happening is I got very lucky, and while I was at high school, a recruiter from the Ohio State University came to our school and was looking to bring people in the engineering program that they have at Ohio State. I told them that I was very interested in NASA. They told me I should be an aerospace engineer. I said, I have no idea what that is. They sort of set me straight, told me that I should apply and consider Ohio State. I got very lucky. I applied, got accepted, and got admitted into a pre-engineering program at Ohio State that gave me a lot of skills and opportunities to sort of explore that career. I was pursuing my degree in aerospace engineering, and what I ended up doing is applying for NASA internships, NASA opportunities. I got rejected soundly every single time that I applied. I sort of needed a little bit of coaching and mentoring in my first year at Ohio State to get the grades where they needed to be. And then finally, by my senior year at Ohio State, when I applied and was graduating, NASA was hiring, and my grades were finally there, and the stars aligned, and I was able to get a career at NASA coming out of undergrad from Ohio State. I got an opportunity to work on space programs and doing satellite communications and navigation. Got an opportunity to do some of the rocket work in terms of doing some thrust vector control for upper stage rocket. What I found a real passion for is really a career in the area of propulsion. So ever since then, I've been working in aeronautics and air breathing propulsion and developing technologies to support next generation commercial aircraft. I've definitely found a lot of pride in being able to see some of my colleagues where they're part of a team that I'm leading, be able to be really successful and be able to present the work that they're doing and show how impactful it is to the agency. But one of the things I think that's just super exciting about working at NASA and being an engineer is it's not every day, but quite often whenever I'm driving into work, get to see the sign out in front of the NASA Glenn Research Center that says technology and development for the benefit of all, and just sort of hitting home that the work that we're doing is really to help all of humanity and to make a real difference in the world is something that's really inspirational.